You want to be a web developer, but you might not really understand what web development is. So if you don't really understand what web development is, I want you to watch this video to the end. Okay, web development is the process of building websites, web applications, things like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Paystack. These are all web applications. So the process of developing these applications is what we call web development. So the people who develop web application, we call them web developers. Now there are two categories of web developers: a front-end developer and a back-end developer. A front-end developer is somebody who builds whatever the user is saying. That is the front end, everything the user is saying. Just like now you're watching this video, or you're on TikTok, you're on Facebook, whatever you're saying, whenever you open your Facebook, that is user interface. That is front end development. So anybody who specializes on developing the front end is called a front end developer. Now we have the back end development. Back end development has to do with the logic, okay, the business logic and the system, the behind the scenes, okay, all the things. You like this video, you share this video, the things that are happening behind the scenes, the things that you're not seeing. This is what we call the backend aspect of it. And backend can also would also definitely talk to a database. So you can even include database, because we also have database administrators. Okay, so these people, you can also include database as a component. Okay, so front end, back end, and database. Okay, now anybody who does these three things, database is actually a system that stores the data. All the data that you're using on the web application is being stored somewhere. So the system that stores that data is the database. So the back end will talk to the database, take data from the database, and bring it to the user. All right, to the front end. That is what you see. So anybody who does these three of them is what we call a full stack developer. Okay, a full stack developer does front end, back end, and also database. And if you want to be a full stack developer, follow me, like this video, because I have created a full stack free series where I will teach you from day 1 to day 300. Every single day I will be dropping tips and tutorials like this. Follow me, like this video, and share.